Hello everyone. The former advocate Malisela Difo barged into the Pretoria High Court and tried to force his way into the judge's chambers in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Difo walked into the courtroom wearing his legal robes. A conversation between him and other lawyers ensued. After a few moments, Difo walked to the hallway leading to the judge's chambers. Armed police officers followed. The judge, Chifiwa Maumelo, a few minutes later, then entered the courtroom, escorted by officers. State Advocate George Baloyi told the court that Difo wanted to deal with the case of the second docket, where he is the watching brief. All parties, including the defense teams, told the court Difo came in and demanded they go into the judge's chamber to see the judge. When they refused, telling him it was not necessary, the man insisted and forced his way past them. Advocate Baloyi said the advocate requested us to come and see the judge in chambers, and we indicated that it's not necessary. We should continue the matter in court. Difo quit the trial in July after disclosing the second docket when he was representing 4 of the accused. The docket was opened in 2019, 5 years after Meyiwa was killed. Difo said that Kelly Kumale allegedly killed her boyfriend. There's so much drama going on in this case. Share your views on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.